Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to go over the Gamma 4 tools, the A&A Gamma 4 pop-up head tools. So these tools, they're great. Obviously the tools are meant for installing and removing the A&A Gamma 4 pop-up heads. How to identify if this is the right tool for you. So if you have these two giant tabs on the side of your pop-up heads, this is the only head like this. So it's really, really easy to identify. So it almost looks like a perfect groove for this pop-up head. So that's how you want it. And Gamma 4 is one of the newest A&A pop-up head as well. So if your pool is pretty much anything older than 2003, 2002, this is not going to work for you. So yeah, they have a metal and a plastic. Plastic's good for basic, if you're going to change out a head every once in a while. If you have old pop-up heads, or if you're going to be doing this quite often, get the metal one. In my personal experience, I think I've broken about 20 of these because obviously I'm a service guy and I bought a lot of plastic ones. And with old heads that have been in there, when you start cranking on these things, these tabs break off. And we see a lot of customers with the same problem. They'll get it in there and they'll start just cranking on it. The tabs will break off, now you have to buy another one. And we always direct to buy the metal one. So metal ones are great. Obviously it's solid stainless steel. It's except the part that goes on your pool, but when you're cranking on it, these tabs are 100% stainless, so they're not going to snap off and you can get some good torque behind it, which is great. So putting it in your pool, you're just going to slide it over the pop-up head, and then they actually have a little groove on each side, which is great. So if you see here how I can actually put it in the groove, and now my head will stick to the pop-up head. So that way you can kind of float it down to the bottom of the pool, put it in the hole, the collar, and then give it a nice half turn and lock it into place. You want to make sure that you lock your pop-up head, it'll actually click into place, and now your pop-up head is secured. And then when you want to take it off, you literally just do the opposite. So you kind of just massage it out a little bit and it frees up the pop-up head, and now your tool can come out. When your pop-up head will stay locked into place, which is great. So we'll have another video for you of us actually installing this into a pool with a pool pole attached here, so you can kind of see what the collar looks like and the process of it going into the pop-up head and locking it into place. So these are the A&A Gamma 4 pop-up heads removal tools. They work for both the regular Gamma 4 and the Venturi Gamma 4, which is great. So I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.